Howdy everybody, this is Steve KM9G and I am on travel with the Youth on the Air Camp for 2022 and I'm trying to charge some devices and I ran into a problem with some USB chargers. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, fantastic filming studio, the hotel room. What I've got is a regular old-fashioned cheap Alcatel cell phone charger and a fancy pants gas station braided USB A to USB C. I've got an Apple MacBook 61 watt charger. It's USB C on both ends, and this has got that power distribution inside of it that we'll talk about here in a second. And then I have the Baofeng UV5R. I've got a USB charger for this. I have the TID radio Bluetooth programmer. I want to program in some local repeaters in the area. And I have the Radioddity GM30 GMRS radio. So there's actually a lot of GMRS activity around here. Let me show you what's going on. All right, here is the white cable plugged into the TID radio device. No charging light. Here is the red cable plugged into the TID radio device, and we're charging. Same thing here, white cable into the Radioddity GM30, no charging. And then we've got the red cable plugged in, and we are charging. All right, so what's going on? PD, power distribution, I guess is what it stands for. Modern USB-C chargers have this ability to send out different voltages, 5, 9, 12, 20, lots of different voltages that can be sent. I think it even send 15, can be sent down that wire, but the device that you're charging needs to negotiate with the charger and say, hey, I can handle higher voltage charging, give me some more. These two devices, the GM30 and the TID radio, don't have that circuitry built in. They don't really need it, but it would be nice if standards were standards, so I wouldn't have to carry so many cables. If you are traveling, make sure that your charger can charge the device that you want to charge when you get to the other end and you're not caught out in the wild without some power that you need. Just a quick tip for you from this guy. Thanks for being awesome. We'll see you in the next one.